What if I told you most Forex prop firms are basically designed for you to fail? Their pass rate is single digits, 5 to 10%. 90 to 95% of people who pay the entry fee walk away with nothing. But for the few who pass, it's the biggest opportunity to trade real size without risking your own cash. Let's break down how this actually works. Why do prop firms exist? Because trading a $500 or $1,000 account is a painfully slow grind. Prop firms offer you a shot at a $100,000 simulated account instead. Suddenly, a 1% gain is $1,000, not 10. But first, you have to pass the challenge. Think of the challenge like a driving test. You pay an upfront fee, anywhere from a few hundred to over $1,000. Then trade on a demo account under strict rules. First, the profit target, usually 8 to 10% within 30 days. Second, and this is the real killer, a max daily loss limit, typically 5%. Drop 5% in one day and you're instantly out. Third, a max overall drawdown, usually around 10% below your starting balance. Break either loss limit and the challenge is over immediately, no matter how good your trade idea was. Here's the business model. 90 to 95% of traders fail the evaluation. If 1,000 traders each pay $500, that's $500,000 in revenue. If 950 fail, the firm just pocketed $475,000 before paying a single winner. For traders who do pass, the firm takes a profit split, but it's usually generous. Traders keep 80 to 90% of what they make. This model has drawn serious regulatory attention. My Forex funds was hit with fraud charges by the CFTC and Canadian regulators in 2023, accused of running a platform designed for traders to lose. As of today, that case is still in litigation. So you passed. Now what? You become a funded trader with real cash payouts. Same drawdown rules, but usually no more profit target. Just stay profitable and manage risk. Make $5,000 profit on a 90% split. You get $4,500. The firm keeps $500. Stay consistent and many firms scale your account up over time, sometimes past $1 million. So why do 90 to 95% of traders actually fail? It's almost never a bad strategy. It's broken drawdown rules caused by bad risk management and emotional trading. One bad day, a revenge trade to win it back, and boom, the 5% daily limit is gone. Success in a prop firm challenge isn't about being aggressive. It's about being boring and disciplined. Never risk more than 1% per trade. Treat those drawdown limits like they're absolute zero. Protect the account first. Chase the profit target second. Master that and you can beat a system that's built for most people to fail.